Now restick it. The reason why we peel it and restick it is because it creates a suction with the silicone. We do circles on the back, and then you pull it and you push it in, and then it sucks itself into the wall. Hi. Oh yeah. Okay, let's move this bar up. Actually, we'll C-clamp this one. Yeah, that'd be fine. I'll cut the cardboard. And that gives me 3 to build off of. So, these are excess on the bottom. And then these 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. The drywall looks good too.
How you doing?
2 a.m. in the morning, I'm in my story smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes. Oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I'm in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I'm in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived.
They got all there out of those 2 lines. Put some big muscles on it.
Get one of them suits.
Some muscle suits.
I used to be a competitive power lifter.
We'll get him some. We need a cape. Says Archie's Plumbing on it. You know.
Dive in.
All right, y'all ready to go? Steven, you're gonna have to stand here with him. He has to relay. You might have to hand him tools, whatever
I'm
you need.
drinking right now.
You got that screwdriver lead?
Chase has it. Where's the screwdriver, Chase?
Right here.
Give it to him. He needs that.
You can't hold that, it's the wrong color.
Yeah, blast me around here. Blast me. Blast me. You know, I'm spinning this thing around, right? Okay, you gotta pull it.
Gotta wear nice underwear today. They got ET on them.
There you go.
Say again.
We're not getting anything.
Not getting anything.
Alright. Tell them to turn on the check valve.
Turn on the check valve.
Or not the check valve, the transfer pump.
Turn on the transfer pump, please. I got you some goggles if you still want it.
No, I'm good now.
Okay.
Is that thing moving freely, Josh?
I got it to move.
Was it hard or easy?
It was sticky.
Okay, because it wouldn't do anything. I should have thrown a light up here.
Okay, I got it open now.
Say again?
I've got it open.
Okay, I'm gonna try it again then.
Okay.
Where's the radio?
Okay.
Tell your brother to crank it up. Try.
Crank it up. Try it again. I'm gonna trust you.
Okay. Well, the check valve's moving fine.
Check valve is moving fine.
Okay, so it's not a check valve issue. So, and I must have had some kind of pipe separations, all I can think.
You want me to put this screen back on?
Might as well.
Okay.
You can do it.
I'm gonna try.
Okay. I need to keep that straight when I'm coming out.
Okay.
Everybody will guide me.